Well, you wouldn't believe what we're up to today. We're down to the shop. We got something out here in front. Anyways, we're going to pull this water tank off the back and probably put it down at the farm. If I need it, I can throw it on here with the skid and haul a load of water to the cows or whatever, but we'll slide this tank out of here and see how it goes. All right, we're going in. So that's how they attach up. Not much to it there. Lucky that didn't bump me on the head. All right, let's go back in the back. Let's see if we can get that other one. I heard if you grunt and make noise, it's supposed to help. I don't know if it actually does, but that's what my brother always told me. Just grunt, make noise. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Aha, there's the other one right there. You ever guys know how big of a pain it is to try to film everything you do? I hope you appreciate it, because otherwise I'm just wasting my time. Ooh, that one about got me. Ooh. Eek. It's kind of scary. All right. Well, I'm under here. I ought to show you guys what this thing's all about underneath. Check out the brakes. Got suspension arms there. Big old drive lines. And this one over here. Both sides like that. And then, of course, it's been upgraded to air brakes. Pretty dang nice truck. Overall, it's in really good condition. No oil leaks, no drips. See up front, transmission. I'll just crawl up there. Got center drive line, park brake, plus it's got the air cam brakes, fuel tank. Get up in here a little further, you see it's a divorce transfer case, little teeny drive line, and then the front axle is a drive axle. Big old oil pan. You got the driveline going to the front PTO winch. I'm probably going to get rid of that and go all hydraulic. might get a bath.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Perfect.
How about that? Well, that wasn't too bad. What does the back of this bed look like? Not too bad. Hey everybody! This is a big old bed!
Nice looking truck.
Look how much different that looks without that box on there. Well, there's that. We'll go dump that out to the farm and use it for water and critters. It ought to work good for that. It's so nice that you can clean up your own mess. See, it doesn't snow here, but we have snow shovels just in case, you know, all you people are getting the wrath of God right now with your snowstorms, but we're down here enjoying this southern Utah.
Basking in the sun, huh?
Yeah, basking in the sun.
Yeah.
So that's another project we've been going to work on, is getting this front winch up and going. So we're going to pull that off of there, probably, I don't know, put a different one on it, tear this one apart. Probably weighs a metric ton, don't you think? I'm not left-handed, that's for sure. So you see it's PTO driven, and it's actually seized up the motor in here. try to stick the forklift in here and try to get that thing pulled up out of there. Got it. Now see if you can go up and clear that back radiator grill guard. It might tip this way. Bent right there, so it's hitting the stupid grill guard. Keep it going up and back up a little bit. Sexy beast there. Now you can see the corner of the truck. Plus I won't get my butt chewed for being on the sandwich with no flag. There you go. Got that old water tank off the 5-ton. Got the winch pulled. We'll see what we can do to either rebuild that or get a different one, but thanks for hanging out with us today and all the support. Got the store all opened up. Got swag and all that stuff set. But thanks for coming along for the project.